When it comes to creating and maintaining an online brand, many business owners are not sure if they do not need an online brand. In fact, some simply laugh at the thought of the term. They believe that establishing and maintaining a strong online presence is not necessary. They fail to recognize that the online world is very competitive and it is becoming more so by the day. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about, do you really need an online brand? My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Therefore, some businesses today may not be as successful if they do not have an online brand. Today, almost all businesses engage in some form of online marketing. However, only a few businesses actually require an online presence. For example, if you run a restaurant and you want people to dine at your restaurant, you do not need to create an online website. Likewise, if you are a retailer and you want to sell your products over the internet, you do not need to build a site for that purpose. The truth is, there are many benefits to developing and maintaining an online brand. It will bring your brand closer to your customers. This will enable you to make direct contact with your customers and thereby build trust. As a result, you will gain more sales because people will be able to see that you are a trusted name. It will help to attract new customers as well. These days, many people shop online, which means that the competition on the web is very fierce. One way to help you stand out from the crowd is to create a unique online identity for your business. You can do this by having a website that is designed by a professional. With the help of a professional, you will be able to design a professional website that will give you the exposure that you need. Then, you will have to make the website user-friendly for the customer. Many times, this is where having an online designer comes in handy. An online brand allows you to reach a global audience. There is no longer any need for you to concentrate only on a local audience. If you want to promote your product or service all over the world, you will have to do so via an online platform. In addition, millions of people use the internet each day. If you want to tap into this market, you have to get your product or service onto the internet. Otherwise, you will not be able to compete with other businesses. When you start to use an online platform to promote your business, you do not have to spend a lot of money doing so. There are many companies that can help you develop a website for a low price. If you do not have the money to spend up front, many people will tell you that a business website is an investment that will yield returns in the future. In addition, you will find that having your own website will give you a way to interact with current and potential clients. Of course, there are many things that you can do to ensure that your online campaign is effective. In addition, you should look for a company that has years of experience in online marketing. They should also have a strong reputation for providing quality service. They should be willing to work closely with you to provide you with the best results. Before you decide that you do not really need an online brand, you might want to consider all of these benefits. Even if you are not ready to launch your own website, you might want to consider creating a social media presence. Many times, people will trust an online brand that is created through a popular website like Facebook. Additionally, you should keep in mind that an online brand can help to build a positive image of your business. Thanks for watching my video about, do you really need an online brand? If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.